Meet the little black dress of chicken salads. It's the chicken salad chick. Fancy Nancy. It's perfect for any occasion. It has sweet grapes, crisp apples, and crunchy pecans in every single bite. And we're going to show you how to make it. You're going to start by cooking your chicken tenders in a low-sodium chicken stock until they're fully cooked. This adds amazing flavor. Then, using 2 forks or a stand mixer, shred your chicken tenders into perfect bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, you will then combine celery, ranch dressing mix, mayonnaise, salt, pepper. You're going to add your chicken, the grapes, apples, and pecans. Then we are going to stir everything until well combined. Each ingredient adds its own special touch to this flavorful salad. For best flavor, refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. Enjoy on a croissant, over lettuce, or with crackers for the perfect meal. Your homemade Fancy Nancy chicken salad is ready. Tag us in your creations and subscribe for more Copycat recipes that you can make at home.